Welcome to the beginning of your future in healthcare. Feel a sense of belonging, no matter which path you take.
I chose the arts because it covers subjects like business, marketing, communication, psychology, and how to apply them within the world of healthcare. Our classes involves a lot of analysis, interpretation, discussions, and sharing perspectives, which I really enjoy.
So class, what do you think?
I love that we're given the freedom to be more hands-on as we collaborate in teams to conduct different experiments for different subjects. These immersive lessons have made biology, maths, and chemistry all the more exciting to me.
Discover how you thrive best as your passions and interests come together.
We aren't just memorizing facts and formulas for our exams. We're being taught to use this knowledge for problem solving and critical thinking, which is crucial for anyone pursuing medicine or health sciences.
Being in an active learning environment helps us create a training ground for us to be more well-rounded in handling different types of scenarios. Our assignments not only enhance my creativity and communication, but it also helps me in my practical skills and analytical thinking as well.
Know that you are on the right path when you feel good about your decision.
Being here has been an essential transition after secondary school to mentally and emotionally prepare me for university. It's become clear to me how this foundation in science offers so much more than just a direct pathway to undergraduate studies.
The more I learn about the social sciences from the Foundation Arts program, the more I learned about myself as well.
Now we're ready and excited about our future in healthcare.